Hey guys, welcome back to another video at Sendwin, and in today's video we're going to be talking about in very detail what exactly Sendwin is and how do you install the Sendwin extension onto your device, right? So without further ado, let's get started. So the first topic that I want to talk about today is what exactly is Sendwin, right? So on your screen you can see it's the home page of Sendwin that you can visit. All links are there in the description. It's send.win, and there you go, you have this website on your screen, right? Sendwin is basically it's the future of browsing. It just allows you to get access to so much premium features that you might not enjoy over a traditional browser, right? So what exactly Sendwin does is that it helps you to log into multiple accounts, okay, multiple social media accounts right from one single browser. Okay, you can it's not just about just social media accounts. You can basically log into any website in the world, and you can create multiple variants of it right in the same browser, even if the website by default may not let you to create multiple profiles of it. But with Sendwin you can make this happen, right? So that brings us to the various things that you can do with Sendwin. So first thing that you can do is switch accounts with ease. That's exactly what I've explained you, that you can use Sendwin to create multiple profiles, multiple variants of the same website, okay, in the same browser in two different tabs. And next you can also you might have you might have your social media accounts that you want to share with someone, but at the same time you don't want to share the password of it. So no worries, Sendwin has got you covered. So what you can do here is you can share them the complete logged in page without even having to enter your credentials. You can just share the complete logged in page in just one click using Sendwin. So it's that useful. It has got a ton of utility. And then next, you can use Sendwin to blur content on the page. You can use Sendwin to bookmark your favorite sessions. You can also protect every session with a proxy. Okay, that's really cool. And these are some topics that we'll touch later on, and perhaps you should have by now got a definitely a short idea on what exactly Sendwin is. So with that being said, when you understand what Sendwin is, it's basically a tool, a productivity tool that aims for boosting your productivity, saving you time, saving your efforts, and at the same time allowing you to enjoy this extension and do all those cool stuff without having to take the pain of going through the hard way. So Sendwin basically makes things quite easy for you. So now let me just show you how to install Sendwin. So we have talked a lot about what Sendwin is. Now what if you want to get this you want this to get installed into a device? So how to do this, right? So first just click on install extension. So the first tutorial I'm going to show you for Chrome, next I'll show you for Microsoft Edge, and then for Firefox. So first you click on install extension, and then you have these three different options. The first one is Google Chrome. So perhaps we're using Google Chrome, so we'll be going with Google Chrome. Now I have already installed this extension, and therefore you get to see remove from Chrome, but in your case it should be the option here should be add to Chrome. And once you click, you have an alert here that Chrome wants to add this to your to your extension list or somewhere, and you just have to click and approve it. And just then you'll have the extension installed all by itself, and then you would have this kind of icon popping up. So even if eventually you might not see here, just click on the extension icon that you have here. It'll load up all this extension that you have installed, and then just find for Sendwin and just pin it. Okay, so once you pin it, it just appears on the left of this extension icon. So that was the tutorial. So that's how you install Sendwin on Chrome. Now let us also look for how do you install it for Microsoft Edge, right? So here I'm again on Microsoft Edge, and I'll just click on this install extension button. Now I will just go for this Microsoft Edge option. Now, so here we have Sendwin, okay, for Microsoft Edge. So what we do is we just click on get, and then we have add extension. So there you go, you have Sendwin added to your Microsoft Edge. So once you install, you get to see that, yeah, it has vanished now. So you just click on extensions, then you just go and click on show. The process is same for Chrome, the one that I was talking about, and there you have it, you have Sendwin installed. Now let me show you the way, how you should be installing Sendwin on your device in case you're using Mozilla Firefox. So on my screen you get to see it's Mozilla Firefox, and I have the Sendwin page loaded. So what I can do here is click on install extension, and then go for Firefox add-ons. Now the next thing is you need to click on add on Firefox. Again, click on add, and just click on OK. Now you can see this icon has it's appearing, which means that apparently we have installed Sendwin successfully on our Firefox. So you can just click on it, and you can see here you have the the sign page for Sendwin, right? So that's pretty much how you install Sendwin, and I'm quite sure that this video should have helped you. And if it did, then do make sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and also stay tuned for all those upcoming videos. We'll have a ton of tutorials coming for you guys, and take care and bye bye.